Hey, two friends. So today, I've got another unboxing for you, and it is of the Revell Porsche Slant Nose. It's in 124 scale. Um, I don't know how old this kit is. I don't know when it was made, but I suppose it's actually the date is 2007, which I guess makes sense. So, and it's by Revell Monogram. Um, this is after it was the Revell Monogram merged. So anyway, you know, I'm a big Porsche fan, and pardon me, that's actually my dog in the background. She's playing with one of the toys, so you might hear some growling. It's not me. So this is what she looked like. Yeah, the Porsche Slantnose. I remember back in the 80s and 90s, it was a big deal. It was a real big deal. You know, they were completely unstable, but most of them came with turbos, like and the giant whale tail. But yeah, they were pretty much the hot commodity back then. So this is the instruction manual. It looks like a typical modern Revell instruction set instructions. And I'm gonna photograph all this for you so that you'll have a good understanding and clear picture of what you're looking at. So I'm just leafing through it. So it's got some decent amount of parts and instructions. So all right, so this is going to be this is the convertible model. Um, these are the side strakes, and it's open, so that's good. And then you got the body. The lines are fairly crisp. The pop-up headlights, there's a little bit of mold and flash. This mold and flash right here. All right, so yeah, there's a lot of flashing underneath here. Not too happy about that, but it can be easily dealt with. It looks like this is open, so that's good. You don't have to spend the time opening it. All right, so this looks like the interior cockpit tub, rear seats. The pedals, right here. There's no relief to them practically. The instrument panel. It looks like the instruments are molded into it. Yeah, the details are okay. I would say I'm not super impressed with it. It's not really crisp. It's a little bit muddled, the details. So I think this is probably like maybe a reboxing of a much older kit, because the Slantnose were from the 80s. So this kit is supposed to be from the 2007. So I'm pretty sure it might be a reboxing. So this is like the bumpers, front and rear bumpers, part of the bumper as well, the bumper assembly. It looks like this is part of the spoiler, the whale tail. So you have the windshield wipers, shock absorbers, seats, door panels. So and this is the lower chassis, and then you have the engine compartment. It's nice that it's open, so you don't have to spend a lot of time trying to opening it up. And then this is the tonneau cover for the convertible top, engine parts right here, mufflers, center console. Right here, I don't know what this is. These are the seats. The seats, I would say, they're not super detailed. It's just minimal. Same thing with the underside details, just minimal. And then this is the lens for the rear lights. So, yeah, this is the convertible top. If you want to build this, you want to build the convertible up. And engine parts here, chassis, sway bars. Looks like more windshield wipers. Wheels, rear view mirrors, struts. This is the steering wheel. These look like the parts of the rear seat. So just check out the details on it if you want. I'm not super impressed, but you know, it should build out to be a pretty decent looking model. Alright, these are the chrome parts. I'm not sure why the engine is in chrome. This is the transmission, and this is the engine piece, and this is also the engine part. Yeah, I really don't know why it's in chrome, but you know, have to strip that. These are the wheels, side mirrors. Very shiny, very typical Revell, super shiny chrome. And these are the wheels. Super hard vinyl type plastic. Not really fond of it. I mean, you can see right there that it's very, very hard. So it looks like there's a lot of flashing on the tire itself, so they need a lot of cleanup. And these are the decals. Looks like the instruments are here. And then, yeah, so not a lot to it. But we'll see how it builds out. So I'm going to photograph everything for you. And alright, so I'm going to photograph all these parts for you, so you can get, so you can see them for yourself, you know, in all their detailed glory. I'm also going to photograph the instruction manual for you so that you can see what you're dealing with. And then I'll probably do a build video sometime in the future. I mean, I've got a lot of projects going on, so stand by. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you like this video.